Let me show you how to reference like a boss. All right. I know you're doing your assignment and then, well, as if you don't have enough problems already, and finding the answers, they're telling you should use the Harvard reference method. And you don't know how to do that. You need to do some insight citations and all that stuff. All right. So this is how we're going to do it. Right. So we open our Word document right there. All right, so there we go. All right, so we also want to be able to insert the automatic table of contents, right? So three things that we're going to do: insight citations, table of contents, and bibliography, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to leave this first page, all right? We're going to leave this first page. Come on. All right, there we go. All right, so here, this is where we're going to start with our assignment, right? So this first page, let's say we're going to leave it for the table of contents. All right, well, in actual fact, you would leave maybe 2 pages. For the first one, the title page, and then the second one, the table of contents, and then we start writing here. All right, so we're going to want to start with the question. All right, so let's say question 1. So here, what you do is for your question 1, or all the headings that you would want to appear on your table of contents, you have to sort of specify them right here. All right, so this is what I mean. So here you see that there is a thing here called heading. So you go there, you press heading number 1. All right, so in other words, you're saying this is the main heading for this. So let's say we are saying here it's question number 1, right? And then we go on and we write whatever we write. My name is Lionel and my number is 0603943010. All right, and then the next thing now, what we need to do is to insert a citation, right? Let's say, for instance, all right, we want to reference this thing that we've spoken about. We really want to reference if this number it really belongs to Lionel, all right? Or in other words, we're simply saying, where did we get that information? So we come here under the references, and then we say insert citation, all right? Okay, so you get this one here. This is where you now need to specify the kind of book or where you took that information. So you come here, we say, who's the author? That's me. All right, so we're going to say Lionel there. Wait, all right, so Lionel. All right, and then wait a minute. Okay, so this is a book. All right, so we got all kind of sources that we can add here. All right, so this is a website, and then there's a book as well, right? So okay, so let's start with the book. Actually, let's start with the book. All right, book is more nicer. All right, so we've got Lionel there, and what's the title of the book? It's called Strategic Management. All right. Oh, come on, management there. All right, and the city, we are right here in the city of gold. Josie, publisher, I don't know. All right, but you're not gonna put that, right? Of course, you will know the publisher, but I don't know. All right, so we've got 2018 right there, and then this is the first edition. All right, there is the beginning of the good things, right? Okay, so there we go. Pa, you see. All right, so you write your stuff, and then you got your citation right there. All right, so maybe I'm gonna say something else later on or whenever you're writing your stuff, and then what you're gonna do is, oh yeah, I wanna add a citation to that. So I'm gonna come here to where it's written citations. All right, so there you go. You've got your list of all your citations right there, and then I'm gonna be like, bah, there we go. All right, so easy, right? And then now we are done with that. And then let's say we want to now, on our question 1, we want a subtopic on advantages and disadvantages of something. All right, we want to make our table of contents look a little bit more nicer. So we're going to go to heading number 2, all right, is a subheading. So we say here, advantages, all right, and then we write whatever we want. There we go. And then now we want to add a reference to that as well. So what we're going to do is insert a citation, but we are going to say this is coming from a website, all right? So the author is me, and the web page It's called virtual campus, right? And then campus. What's going on here? All right, so it's campus. All right, URL. Also, you're gonna have your HH, or where is it? HHH, or it's HTTP, and then www.virtualcampus.com. All right, there we go. So that's the URL of the website, and then here we've got 2016. Wait, 2018. All right, year accessed. Oh, 2018 month. Augusto. All right. Augusto. All right. Day accessed. That's today. All right. Today. And kusasa. All right. Kusasa. Yes. When did we access this? Kusasa. All right. And then we say okay. And then pa. You got that thing again. All right. It's another citation there that we can use. Yeah, and then we are done with that. And then we want to put the disadvantages, all right? So we're going to come here, we say heading number 2 again, and then disadvantages. There we go. And then we write our stuff. Blah, 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 right? Okay, so let's say we're done with our assignment. So what we now we need to do is to insert the table of contents, all right? So we're going to come here, we say insert. All right. Table of contents? No. All right. We're going to come to the references instead, sorry. And then we say insert here. You see where it's written table of contents. All right. So you can choose from all these nice table of contents that we have got here. But we want the classic one. Yeah, you know, I'm a classic man. So we're going to take the classic one right there. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, so you got your automatic table of contents right there. Your question 1, remember that? And then we've got advantages and disadvantages. So that's how everything will just come up. All right. And then the other cool thing is, let's say if you continue to write your things right there, let's say now I want another heading. So this is question number 2. All right. So I've got my question number 2 over there. So what I'm going to do is this is how I can update my table of contents. I'm going to come here and say update table, and then update the entire table, and then voila, you got question number 2 right there. See, you're doing it like a boss, all right? And then as if that's not enough, you want to finish this in style, all right? So what you're going to do here is you want to put your reference, the bibliography and stuff, all right? So you're going to come right here, and then you're going to say bibliography, and then voila, just like that, right? There you go. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Subscribe and like so that you can get more cool stuff. Ciao.